Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's a brand new 2026 Forest River Cherokee Pup 17JW Black Label. This one has the queen bed in the front, a large slide out with a U-shaped dinette in the middle, mid kitchen, 2 rear double bunks, and a rear corner bathroom. This one also has a 200-watt solar panel, backup camera, and new for 2026 is the 4 power stabilization jacks to support the camper on each corner. Come check it out.